And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 85. Let me show the selective color adjustment. It's another adjustment layer right here. And this comes in pretty handy when you have a clear separation of colors. So in the image, the photo that we've got here, we have three main areas, the car and the two colored buildings. And we can use the second drop down right here for the colors and then target these specifically. So if I go to the greens and I target this, you can see how this only affects the building on the left, and the car and the other building, they are left unaffected. And that's one use case. If you wanted to adjust the car, select the blue channel and also the cyan channel. And the two buildings this time are unaffected. You can do that in relative ways, and percentages are absolute. But the easiest way to check out what it does is to simply use the sliders as it's added in real time. For the building, we would go to the red channel and also a little bit of magenta. And if you wanted to recolor the building, you would have the issue to select that properly, especially in the car windows. So by using the selective color adjustment option, and you don't have to deal with selecting it. Sometimes selection can be tedious. Obviously there are limits with this method. We would have, for example, a little bit of blue inside of the buildings as well. There would be an issue. So as always in Photoshop, it depends on the photo that you've got, the result that you want. This determines what method you should use, but the selective color method can be a quicker way to recolor and adjust the colors of specific objects. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.